It's a proper little snowstorm up here. It is really snowing. All of this fresh snow is gonna make the avalanche danger go through the roof. Kind of see what I mean right here? There's this blue color. That's light shining through the snow right here. You can see couldn't feel any movement. Yeah, I mean, it looks perfectly fine from here. Well, oh, look how deep this snow is. Even with my snowshoes, it's going up to my kneecap. I think I got some digging to do. Two feet of snow, and I've got about 100 yards of unplowed road to go.